So, hello everyone, how are you guys? Let me check. Yep, I guess everything is fine. Uh, am I audible? Yes. Just let me inform in the group the class have been started. Yes. So, hello guys, how are you? So today again we are coming with a new chapter. I hope this might be like you finding this quite useful. This is again I would say a very important chapter for the exam purpose. It's a mixture replacement, and basically it comes under mixture and alligation. If I talk about now, this topic comes under mixture alligation. Okay, so let me write down. This is basically mixture alligation. So this is basically guys mixture alligation, but today we are doing like the basic mixture alligation. Today we are doing the basic part, that what is the meaning of mixture and what is the meaning of alligation, and we'll solve some of the problems, right? I hope every one of you join me. So first of all guys, we'll do the theory part, and a lot of types are there, so don't get confused. In the banking exams, if I would say na, in the banking exam, a lot of type is being asked from this section. Type, right? Means this chapter has a usage in the chapter of profit and loss also, as I have cleared you earlier also, and some of this chapter has a personal problem, right? This chapter also has some of the personal problems which belongs to this chapter, so we'll solve the personal problem of this chapter. We not going to right now see the that how this chapter helps other chapter to solve their problem. We are not seeing it. We are seeing right now that how this chapter deals with the personal problems. Hi Janvi, how are you? Good morning. I hope you are good. Fine. Thank you Janvi for coming. Thank you for coming. So this chapter has what we are discussing right now. So this chapter has its own personal problem. Earlier guys, we have done like a lot of those chapters which solve the problems of other chapter. So we are seeing that, okay, how this chapter solves the personal problems, right? So for that we need a theory. As all of you know, if there is a mixture, there's a name called mixture. Mixture means what? Mixture means when you mix two or more quantity, right? So mixture means what? When you mix, try to understand, when you mix two or more quantity, two or more quantity, two or more quantity, or two or more quantity. And also one thing which is very very important. Now try to listen. The other thing is what is important. Now you would say that, let's say we are talking about the quantities now. We are talking about what? We are talking about here the quantities. Now if I ask you, quantity have a price also, na? This quantity will also have a price. So this quantity belongs to the price. Okay, the price means the quantity 1 should have some other price, quantity 2 should have some other price. Most of the time we discuss either milk. Why we discuss milk? I'll discuss it about right now. Or we discuss alcohol, or we discuss something like we mix something like some of the solutions. But the popular one is either milk or alcohol. Now why we talk about milk and alcohol? Now there would be question, that's why we talk about milk and alcohol. There's also a question, right? So we talk about milk and alcohol because the cost of the milk is known to us. Cost of the milk is there, right? Pure milk I'm talking about. I'm talking about the pure milk. So whenever we solve a question of mixture alligation in which we talk about the milk, we'll also talk about the pure milk. So guys, come on, pure milk have a cost, right? But when you add a water to it, so adding a water doesn't cost anything. Adding of water doesn't cost anything, right? The CP of cost is basically, or cost price say, the cost would be as 0, or selling price of the means the vendor who mixes water doesn't pay the cost of the water, because he can take water from anything, na. I hope you are getting my point. So that is the reason why we are like going for it. Suppose I say there is a pure milk 10 liters. Suppose what I'm meaning to say, there's a pure milk, right? There is a pure milk, guys, which is a 10 liter. And suppose if I write down 10 liter, and suppose I say that the cost of the milk is 50 rupees per liter. 50 rupees per liter. Then what is the total cost of the milk? The total cost of the milk is what? Cost price, if I say 500 rupees, means the shopkeeper is having right now the 500 rupees, and this is the cost price. That's why I'm talking about the cost price, right? This is not the selling price. Suppose water is added to it. Suppose I add a water. I don't know. I add a water to it. Let's say I have added like 3 liters of water. What is the cost of the water? 0 rupees per liter. The cost of the water is 0 rupees per liter. Again, the cost price would be 0, right? I hope you are getting the point. And if I say you the total cost, now see everyone, the total cost of the mixture, would be how much? Total cost of the mixture, first the total liter is what? 13. Total cost is what? Multiplied by what? Means you will multiply with the term 50 only, na, because this cost is 0. You will multiply this by 50. So multiplied by 50, which becomes what? 650. So now see, the total cost means the selling price. Means, can I say this is my selling price? Try to understand. Can I say this is my selling price? Everyone. If this is my selling price, guys, you need to understand the logic behind it. How they are like, they confuse you. Now, this is called a selling price. Now, if this is a selling price, again, the cost price is 500 and the selling price is 650 without giving the cost price of the water. So, what is the profit in selling this 13 liter? Can you say? The profit would be of 150, because 500 becomes 150 on 500. Correct or not? You guys are getting this? On 500, which is 3 by 10, which is 30%, right? 30% is the profit. I hope you understand. Again, I'm explaining the theory part. This is the type 1, everyone. I would say this is the type 1 where you need to understand the algorithm of how mixture alligation works. We have a pure milk in the, let's say I am a vendor. I have a pure milk which I given a cost price of rupees 500. This I cannot sell now. I have a pure milk. I cannot sell the pure milk. I'll add the water. Now I know that water I'll add 3 liters. I cannot add like 10 liters of water. Then somebody will say your milk is not good. It's like water. Only water is there. So that's why water is added. I've added 3 liters of water, but the cost price was 0. Now the quantity of the milk becomes 13 liters. Actually, it was a 3 liters. So can I say 3 liters of the milk which I am giving to the vendor is basically is a mixture of water and milk both. So the selling price would be 650. Again, I am getting a profit of 30%. This is how the things works in mixture alligation. This is type 1, guys. Banking exams ask a lot of questions from this part, but we will be discussing from basic to advanced. Let me show you one of the question. I hope you will try that. So we have first question, right? I hope, guys, this is the basic. Again, I would say we are starting from the basic, so you need to understand this, okay? So please try this. Nandlal bought P liters milk and added Q liters water to it to get a profit of 14.28%. Now you know that he is getting a profit of 14.28%. Means what? Means what? Means what? Come on, say. Let me do one for you, okay? Let me do one for you. Let me do one for you. Means, first of all, let me do one for you. This is my profit. Profit percentage is given to me. Let me do one for you. Profit percentage is given to me 14.28%, which is nothing but 14.28% is nothing but 1 by 7. I know 1 by 7. Now, guys, always remember as I said, ratio plays very vital role. This denominator gives you pure milk, okay, and numerator gives you water added. Numerator gives you water added. What gives you? Numerator gives you water added. I hope you are getting it. So the numerator is basically 1. They are asking what? On the selling price, the mixture at the cost price, find the ratio of milk and water. They are asking the ratio of milk and water. So the ratio of milk and water is basically what? Now the milk is basically, and the water is basically. So milk is, pure milk is 7 and water is 1. Water added is they are saying, right? Water is 1. So the answer would be 7:1. I hope everyone got this. This is a small condition which you guys need to know. Numerator is water added and denominator is pure milk. Yeah, let's come to this question. Now, Manoj, this question again, guys, come on, try. Answer me fast, everyone. Answer me. Manoj bought m liters honey and added n liters water to get it a profit of 66.66%. For this, you need to know the value of 66.66%. 66.66% is nothing but 2 by 3, right? 2 by 3. Always remember the condition. This is honey. This is honey. This is your honey, right? And this is the whatever they are talking about adding, which is called water, right? So they are asking, find the ratio of honey to water. Honey to water means this would be 3:2. Answer. Very good. Everyone should answer me fast. Come on. Everyone should answer me. We are doing a very good, very basic questions right now, guys. Just make you understand. Now, a shopkeeper sells the milk at the cost price but mix some of the water in it, hence get a profit of 30%. Again, this is the same question which I have created. So you should know fatafat, guys, 30% means what? So the 30% means basically 3 by 10. Am I right? This is my, again I would say, milk. This is my milk and this is my water, right? They are asking that find the quantity of water in a mixture of 65 liters. Come on. So come on, say, guys, can you answer this question? Find the quantity of water in a mixture of 65 liters. So come on. So from here, see everyone, the logic that you can apply from the ratio. See, I am writing line by line. From ratio, the total is basically how much? From ratio, the total is basically 13, because 10 is milk and 3 is water, 13. And from the quotient, the value of 13 is basically 65. Am I right? From ratio, that is 13, and from the quotient it is 65. So 13 5s are, so one value is 5. They are asking what? Find the quantity of water. So 1 is 5, then water is in terms of ratio is 3. Water in terms of ratio is 3. Water in terms of ratio is 3. So 3 into 5, answer would be 15. I hope this is clear to everyone. Yes, fine. I hope you guys are enjoying also. And if you like the session, guys, come on, do share to your friends also. Let's come again. We have a next question. Come on, try this. Let me see how many of you can solve. So let me sell the milk at the cost price but have some water and hence gets a profit of 45%. So they are getting profit of 45%. So profit, again, do it fast, everyone. Profit is basically 45%. 45% means what? 45 by 100. 45 by 100. Let us not cut this. Let us assume the same part. That not be an issue. This is my milk. This is my milk. And if this is my milk, this is my water, right? This is my water. Find the quantity of water in a mixture of 145 liters. The total. So come on, this becomes very easy. In terms of ratio. So in terms of ratio, you can write each and every line. In terms of ratio, total is, in terms of ratio, my total is 125, 145. Exactly in the question it is also mentioned 145. In the question it is also mentioned 145. So if 145 tends to 145, then value of 1 is basically 1. They are asking what? Find the quantity of water. So water is basically 45 liters. Water is basically 45 liters. This is my answer. This is what we are doing in the class. This is what we are like solving the question. This is my Telegram channel. So those who are watching me first time, they can come to this part. Now. I hope first part is clear to everyone. Now, can you explain me? I hope guys first part is clear to everyone. The first part which we did right now. Now let us come to the second part, right? What we do in the second part. Suppose this was our this was our type 1 which we did now. So you can note it down that type 1 contains, you can note it down. Let me explain you the type 2 also. The earlier which we have done, which was nothing but type 1. That was type 1. Now we will be doing a type 2. Type 2 is basically what? Type 2 is very important, and these questions are asked in clerk mains. I would say clerk mains and IBPS mains SBI Clerk mains and PO mains also. But you need to understand that what I am saying right now, okay? Now suppose everyone, if pure milk is 80 liter, now try to understand the point, okay? Suppose I am saying that pure milk, suppose I am writing I have a pure milk which is 80 liters, right? This is my second type. Try to understand, this is my second type. 1/4 milk is taken out. Suppose I say from here 1/4 milk is taken out. I am just bringing out 1/4 milk is taken out, is basically taken out. So now try to understand, if I assume that I know that pure milk is 80 liters, but if I assume that if my milk is 1, so from 1/4 is taken out, right? Now this is my taken out, somebody had taken out. There is a milk, suppose there is a milk, try to understand. There is a pure milk, right? Okay, somebody taken out 1/4. So my point is that don't like apply the reverse engineering. Always apply reverse engineering. This will make you this will make you to think in a good manner, in a good way. If you apply reverse engineering, my question is how much milk is left? My question is how much milk is left? So milk left would be 1 minus 1/4, that is 3/4. Is it right or not? If 1/4 is taken out, then 3/4 milk is left over there. Is it right? Is it right, everyone? But also understand the concentration will change, but the liters will not change, na? Means if I calculate the mixture exactly will look like 80 liters. So what you will do? If 1/4 milk is taken out, for compensation you will add water. Am I right? For compensation, what you will do? You will add water to it. Yes. And suppose that if I say this step is repeated, suppose I say that this process repeats 3 times. If I say, now see, this is very important. This process repeated 3 times. Repeats 3 times. Try to understand, guys, what I am saying. So basically what I'll do right now, I'll again apply the reverse engineering, which is my method number 1. Method number 1 says milk left is how much? Milk left is how much? Okay, this is the method, says milk left is how much? From 80 liters, the remaining milk is 3/4. Yes or not? This is for the first time when you take out 1/4. Again 3/4. Yes, for the first time. And this is 3/4. 3 times, because this step was repeated 3 times more. You will solve this, you will get the answer. But my point is, you can get a milk left. This is a method number 1. Now, as I said, there is a huge usage of what? Ratios, right? So let us discuss method number 2. Method number 2 is what? Method number 2 is again Aman mantra. Try to understand. Now, if I say that if I say that 1 by 4 is taken out, if I say that 1 by 4 is taken out, then you would say in terms of ratio how much left? Then you would say milk left would be 1 minus 1 by 4, that is 3 by 4. Means now here you need to understand this 4 is your mixture, and from mixture 3 milk is left. This milk is left. So basically you can write down here, basically what you can do, here is your mixture, mixture mixture, and here is your milk left. Because this process repeats 3 times, 4 becomes 3, because 1 by 4 taken out, again 4 becomes 3, again 1 by 4 taken out, again 4 becomes 3, again 1 by 4 taken out. So basically 64 becomes 27, and you can see from the mixture 64 mixture. See what you are getting, everyone. This is very, very important for all of you. You can see from the mixture of 64 liters, from the mixture of 64 liters, only 27 liters are milk left. Rest are what? Rest are water. Rest are what? Rest are water. Is it right? Now in the question I have stated what? I have stated that pure milk is 80 liters. That was I was stated. Suppose I do it like 81, it will make sense. Okay, fine. So can I say this is basically, because the pure milk was 81 liters. According to me, it is 27. So can I say 27 is equal to 81? So the multiplier is what? Multiplier is what? Come on, say multiplier is 3, na? So the multiplier would be 3. If the multiplier is 3, you can figure it out any value. So this is called a ratio distribution method. You guys got this? Any doubt, please ask. It was given in the question that it is taken out 3 times. Maybe it should be given in the question that it would be taken out 4 times. Not an issue. 5 times, 3 times. Clear now? It was mentioned in the question, VKB. It was mentioned in the question. So that's what I am saying. Is it clear? So this is method number 2, guys, which is a ratio method. This is method number 2, which is a ratio method. Now let us solve some of the question based on this method. So come on guys, can you solve this? Let's see. The quantity should be equal. Always remember, Nasimha, always remember. Quantity means 80 liters. Let's say mixture is of 8. Let's say, let me explain some of the points also. In mixture, suppose in mixture is of 13 liter, right? 13 liter. But in 13 liter concentration, if I talk about concentration of milk and concentration of water should be different, na? Will it be different, na? Concentration of milk and water would be different. Suppose I figure it out, I take out milk, then I need to make it that 13 liter, I will add water. To make it 13 liter, I'll add water. Is it right? I don't want answers, right? Okay. Let us solve this question. Everyone, I think Siddharth, you should look over your answer. I don't want any answers in hurry, guys. Just take your time, solve properly. Learn something from each and every class of mine. Learn something from each and every class of mine. Let's solve slowly, slowly. We are getting different answers. I'm giving you the proper time. We are getting different answers. I'm giving you the proper time. Some of you are getting 108. Find the quantity of water in the mixture. Try this. Lot of time are there. 47. Okay. $108. Janvi also got the answer 108. No worries, no worries. I am there for you guys. I am there for you. Don't think, I am there for you. Okay. If you like my session, please do comment also. None of you comment in my section, guys. None of you comment. That's very bad. Percent? Okay. Okay, fine. Okay. Let us now discuss through the method number 2. See, I will be solving this question through the method number 2, which I will explain you. Method number 2. Try to understand that everybody was getting different answers. Try to understand. A container of 450, the total mixture is given to us, which is 432. Am I right? This is the total mixture given to us. And from this 36 liter is taken out. So from this total 36 liter is taken out, right? This is clear. So 36, if you multiply 36 multiplied by 12, 6, 2, okay, 2, 6, 3 is 18, 119, 19, right? Okay, and this will give you 1, 6, and this will give you 3. So this is, so again you are getting like 1 by 12, na? Okay, fine. So you are getting something like 1 by 12. I hope I am making sense to all of you. So this is taken out. Now try to understand that what I am saying. Try to understand that what I am saying. This is taken out. In my way, this is taken out. This is taken out. And this is basically total. Total. If this is taken out, then can I say I have a mixture? Now see guys, wait. Then I can say that I have a mixture. If I have a mixture and then if I figure it out, the left part, milk left part, okay. So can I say the total mixture is of 12, in which the milk left is basically 11. Why? This is my total. 1 is taken out. How much was left? 11 only. Am I right or not? Till now, I hope am I making sense? And this is going for 2 more times, means total 12 becomes, and 12 will become. This is again becomes 11, 11, 11, 11. This is 12 ka cube. I have taught you to learn the 12 ka cube, which is 1728. 172, and it's very easy for 11, 1, 3, 3, 1. I hope you are getting. So in this total mixture, according to the ratio, the milk is 1331 left. Isn't it, guys? If this process is replaced by 2 more times, find the quantity of water. So come on, say, if this much is milk and this is the total mixture in the mixture, can I say the difference of this will give me the water? Come on, yes or no? The difference of this will give me the water. So what is the difference now? 397. Difference is what? Can I say difference is 397? And this is a previous year question, guys. Come on, say. Yes, the difference is basically 397. So this is the water. And they are asking the quantity, but this is in terms of what? Ratio, na? This is in terms of ratio. So out of total, now see, out of total, which is 1728, we have 397 water multiplied by 432. Solve this will be your answer. If you will solve this, this would be your answer. Everyone is getting 4, and this will goes like 4 times. So this would becomes 432 into 4 is 728, right? So this will become like 397 divided by 4, which is 3 nines are 90, 3 nines are, then it would go from nines are, again I would say 36, again I would say it is 99 point something. Come on, say, is this clear? Is this clear to everyone? Please guys comment. Should I explain one more time? Should I explain this one more time? Everyone got this? Yep. So the actual answer is 99.25. Some of you are giving. You guys have understood? Come on, Janvi, everyone in the class. Why would I take direct values? You need to solve something differently now. So that's why I'm taking it. Why would I take different values? This is previous year question. Now everything is clear. Actual numbers are coming. Why you are solving in such a manner where you're getting integers, non-integers as your answer? Like math should be solved in such a manner that maximum you should get an integer, na? That is what I am showing you the beauty of the method number 2. This is the beauty of method number 2. Solve this question, come on. Narsimha, I think you should check. You cannot get 108. You have like calculation mistakes over there. And I think you are doing something wrong. $256. Okay. Siddharth, you got the answer? That's very good, very strange. Those who answered 256, Siddharth is the first one. Who answered 256? Okay. Great. Fine. Let me check. Means I should also try now. Very fast, basically. Siddharth had answered like very fast. Let me check now whether Siddharth is like doing correct now. If he is doing correct, that's excellent. Excellent, then excellent. Let me try. I'll try with my process, guys. Okay, because you know I'll try with my process. So okay, let me try with my process. I don't want to like go for a complicated one. A jar is filled with milk. A person replaces 25% of the milk with water. Now see, what is the meaning of 25%? Now see, when I read the question, I have that extent. Means when you read the question, you should get that extent. Okay, where to hit, where to like click the point. Don't go for I would say a trending kind of a thing that okay, brain works in such a manner that every question I'll read with the same algorithm. No, every questions had a some crack. Figure it out, that crack. If you are not able to figure it out, that crack, try to practice in such a manner. See, the productive study is what? The productive study is when you don't stick to one of the methods. Because this is, you are developing your foundation, everyone. If you are developing your foundation, you should not stick to the, okay, this is the only one which I'll solve. No. Try to do experiments with the problem. If this is written 25%, can I go for 25% means what? 25% means 1 by 4. Now they're saying that, now just read it. Of the milk with water, a person replaces it. If this is replaced, can I say this is again would be the mixture according to me, and this is the replacement part. If this is the replacement part, then can I say, now see everyone, can I say that okay sir, if this steps is repeating again 3 more times, this step is done 3 more times, so can I say that 4 will become 3. This is the milk left. This would be the milk left. This would be the milk left. If this is the milk left, this is the mixture. 4 again will become 3. 4 again will become 3. Am I right? So basically 64 is becoming 27. This is the total mixture. This is the mixture, the pure milk. I hope this much is clear to everybody. Let me draw first. Let me solve first. 3 times. Yes, I am going for 3 times only. No? Yeah, sorry, I am going for 3 times only. Okay. There is only 81 liters of milk left. According to me, 27 liters left. Sorry if I read 3 more times. But according to the question, 81 left. Multiplier is 3. Yes or no? Try to understand. Yes or no? Multiplier is 3. Right? So if you don't understand, 21 becomes 81, 1 will become 3. They're asking what? The remaining part of the jar is filled with water. The initial quantity of milk in the jar. Initial quantity of milk in the jar. According to me, the quantity of the mixture is 64. Am I right or not? This is the initial quantity. So 64 into 3 is how much? 4 tiye 12, 18, 192 answer. I hope you guys did this right. See the beauty. Have you got the beauty? Narsimha, Janvi, I hope you understood the process now. I hope am I making justice to everyone. Narsimha, Janvi, everyone, I hope. Am I making justice to all of you that you are here? So I'm like giving you the proper understanding of the beauty of my process, isn't it? Everyone got different answers, but see guys, these questions are, and if you are very aware now, these are the PYQs, everyone. These are the PYQs, I would say. I hope again today's class you guys are enjoying. As I say, everyone try to understand, try to attend my paid classes also, my YT sessions also, because these sessions will help you a lot. Like if you will get 1.1% now through my session, that is more than enough. It's okay, no worries, no worries. Siddharth, I feel that you are good at maths. Siddharth, what I feel now that you are very good at maths. I feel that you do questions very hurry. Means you are. I don't know why you are in hurry. So most of the students of my paid classes and of my YouTube sessions are in hurry, that they want to. I don't know, they want to prove what. I know, guys, that you are best. I know. But the thing is that solve the question in a slow process. Give the answers in a means. I don't know why you are fast. Let's try this, come on. Wait a minute. We will not do this one. Yeah, we can try this. This is easy one. There was something mistaken in that particular question, so that's why I haven't given you. Answer me, guys. Do not go in hurry. $80. Janvi got the answer 80. Anybody got the answer 80? Yeah, that's very good. So guys, Janvi got the answer 80. We'll wait. We'll see that all of you must be doing it because I've solved like 2 or 3 problems, guys. Come on. Now you could answer me. Anybody else? Anybody else? Let me read the question and try it out. 16 kg are drawn from the container full of cheese and with curd. This operation is performed 3 more times. So the ratio of the quantity of the cheese now left. Again, we should know mixture. We should know everything. The mixture and the cheese left. Can we think in a manner that we have a mixture and the cheese left? How come we can figure it out? Let's A is a mixture, B is the cheese left. A is the mixture, B is the cheese left. A is the mixture, B is the cheese left. A is the mixture, B is the cheese left. Is it right? So basically the total mixture is A ka power 4 and the total cheese is B ka power 4 according to me. Am I right? Am I right? This A is given to me 256. Oh no. Is it like, am I right everyone? Am I doing correct? Yes or no? Come on, say. How come 80 is the answer? Come on, say fast. Now you can equate this. You can equate these two things and you will get the answer. The ratio of the quantity of the cheese now left in the container to that curd. This is your curd. You would also write this is your curd. or a mixture that you want to write, you can write it down. Okay. So you can write it down, no worries. You can also compare this in terms of, I would say, mixture also. So see, this is the cheese left is given to you 256, right? But the mixture is of how much? Can I say the mixture is of 625? So basically 5 becomes what? You basically see that 5 becomes 4, na? Five becomes 4. Correct. And how much amount of cheese did the container hold actually? Cheese left is this one. So basically hold is how much? 5 minus 4, the holding part is of 1, na? This is the holding part, 1. And 1 is basically 16. They're asking what? If 1 belongs to 16, then they're asking what? 5 belongs to how much? So 5 into 16. Everyone understood this? Siddharth, you got from this process what I have done? You got this process that what I have done? Siddharth, Janvi, everybody got this? See, these are the methods. I'm not saying that these are the only methods, but the point is, everyone just listen me. Just listen me. Give me 2 minutes of your time. Okay, only 2 minutes I'll take. I'll not take more than that time. The point is that now, I'm not saying these are the only methods. I'm not saying this is you have done mixtures. No, mixture have a wide range. Mixture alligations problem has a wide range. So we will solve every problem, guys. Like, I'm not saying that only we are solving this kind of problem. No, we'll solve every problem. The point is that if you are watching, if your mind is fresh, don't stick to the formulas. Don't stick to the only concepts. Only means only concepts. Okay. Try to figure it out, a variation in your thought process, so that many of the students, see, you can crack your prelims. I can give you guarantee. The point is that to clear your mains, you should have that kind of ability of cracking the question with different extent. This is what my motto is too. So if you are watching my paid classes, I must be saying that slowly and slowly your mind will start work in a such a manner ki, okay, why we are solving this question in a such a manner? Why don't we solve this question in a different manner? So the reason of the class is only that. So that's why I'm coming live and I'm teaching you. I'm saying everywhere that guys join me there. I will be sending you the PDF, everyone. We have a lot of questions. Yeah, 4th row is being taken. I have a lot of questions, right? This is one of the questions. I'm giving you the homework, everyone. Okay. I'm giving you the homework. Try solving the questions from the PDF. Try solving the questions from the PDF. I will be giving you in like due course of time. I'll giving you the PDF of yesterday's class and today's class also, right? Try solving. I hope you guys are enjoying the class. Like, language should not be an issue, because a lot of students were complaining that language is the issue. I'll try my level best to teach you in English only. So if you're liking my session, I would say please like it, guys. Share to your friends who have a problem in language. Till then, bye bye everyone. Bye guys. Signing off, Agnimitra, and keep shining and keep learning. Okay, bye. This is homework. Bye guys. Bye. Say bye. You're not saying bye to me. Bye bolo. You're not saying bye to me. Come on. It's a bad bye. Thank you. Bye, Janvi. I thought some of you will say bye, but you don't. Very bad.